and Craft.
Hello friends, welcome back to and Crafts. In today's video we made this card. This card is a pop-up flower card. Wow, you can see this. This is amazing guys. You can see you can gift it on Teacher's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, on any celebration or any other occasion. So now let's move on to how to make this beautiful amazing flower card. Guys, our craft is ready, and in today's video we made this amazing card. You just saw it was so easy. You can see you can make it in different colors, make it more attractive, give other flower shapes, and many more. You can gift it on Father's Day, Mother's Day, Sister's Day, birthdays, or wedding days as well. You can see you can give it on any anniversary as well. This is so amazing, guys. I love this craft. This is a pop-up flower card which is super easy, and you can see it's so cool. I am really attracted by this card and I love it. Now I'm going to gift it to my friend or any other relative. So now, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.